Valley. So before we get a closer look on the weather, let's get an update on the tropics. So all of this morning and these last couple of days, we've been monitoring an area of interest that could have a further development. And just a couple of minutes ago, this area is now tropical depression number 13, just a couple hundred miles off the coast of Africa. Now, if further strengthening could occur, the next name on the list is going to be Leslie, which that could be it because we already have a Kirk. Now, it's a Category 1 hurricane continuing to track further west and north, and then it's going to strengthen to a major hurricane, and then eventually it's just going to dissipate into the Atlantic. So we're not really too concerned with these two areas because they are far away in the Atlantic, and a lot of things could happen these next couple days. But the third area and the last area that we are keeping a close eye on that could affect us these next couple days is going to be that area in the Caribbean / the Gulf of Mexico. Now, that area still has a medium chance of further development within the next couple of days, and you can already kind of see the area of disorganized showers and storms, which is associated with the low pressure system. So further development is expected, but slow development at that. So remember just to keep a close eye on the tropics these next couple of days because we could get tropical moisture filtering into the Rio Grande Valley, but this is just rain and a few storms, a few general thunderstorms for these next couple of days. So remember, the best chances are going to be Friday and Saturday. That's when those rain chances become a little elevated, and then they'll continue as we head toward the following work week. But we're also monitoring that front that could make its way into the Rio Grande Valley on Tuesday, so that could bring in more rain chances for us just ahead of the front and along it, but don't expect a huge cool down. It'll be very similar to the last front that we received here in the Rio Grande Valley, so slightly less humid conditions are expected. But as far as rainfall totals go within the next 7 days, this is what we're looking at. So most of it's going to stay within the lower valley and along the coast. They could see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches, maybe a little bit higher, a little bit closer to 3 inches. But remember, these are just accumulated rainfall totals within the next 7 days. But as we track further west, even lower accumulated totals are expected these next couple of days. So most will remain dry, especially in the upper valley, but it just really depends on that system that's going to develop into the Gulf. But most of the models are showing that it's going to stay to our north and east, possibly toward Louisiana, possibly toward Florida. Some of the models are not really in agreement as of right now, but for sure we are going to get some rain these next couple days. But how much? Well, make sure that you are keeping up to date.